Hey friends, this is Mr. McCarthy coming at you with our adventures in Area, which hopefully you've been exposed to. Area is the two-dimensional surface space inside of a border, if you would like to call it that. So jumping ahead, our focus in this chapter our goal is to be able to say that I can recognize the base and height are measurements of a triangle that are used to find its area. Okay, so that is a very achievable goal. I can recognize that base and height are the measurements of a triangle that are used to find its area. Okay, and then to go ahead and then find that area. So here's the deal. Finding the area of triangles and rectangles is a complete and total fifth grade skill. One thing I may have discussed with you, or one thing maybe your classroom teacher has discussed with you, is that with Math and Focus, of our 14 chapters, we've actually got 6 of them that address sixth grade skills, and you've already done a couple of them, so congratulations on being highly advanced. In this case, we have a fifth grade chapter, but what we're going to see later on is that it kind of cruelly uses sixth grade computation to do the fifth grade skills. I'll talk about that in a bit, but basically I'm saying this is going to be a little more persnickety than it needs to be, but we're going to deal with it because we're a team. All right, Area. I just made a sandwich. Come have some. Who took the largest piece? This is a flawed page. Your sandwich has 3 dimensions, not 2. The piece that's both the thickest, widest, and longest, and when you combine that to find the most volume, that's the amount of sandwich, not the most area. You can also measure by weight, but that's just me. You don't measure food by area. Whatevs. 3 lessons. That's it. You guys give me your 3. Finding the area in lesson 6.1, it's finding the area of a rectangle with fractional side lengths, and that's where they get mean to you, because multiplying fractions is what you're going to have to do to find the areas of those rectangles, and multiplying fractions is technically a 6th grade skill. Boo, boo, Math and Focus. Cruel and unusual you are. The next lesson is identifying the base and height of a triangle, and finally, the last one is finding the area of a triangle. This would be, I'm going to save my speeches for later. All right. Hey, it's the Math Antics guy. Oh, this dude's like super fun. He's like me, except he's got sweet matching shirts, and he's probably getting like, I don't know, some sort of crazy benefits from YouTube for putting all his videos out. I don't get how it's all monetized, but whatever. Watch this guy. Come back to me, and then we'll continue with the chapter opener. Oh, sorry. You can't click it here. You got to go to the slides link in your Schoology file. I know. Sorry. You got to have 2 tabs open. Womp womp. Okay. Are you back? Did he blow your mind? He blew mine. I mean, he's just fantabulous. Now, some stuff that I hope you recall from 4th grade. An angle is formed by 2 rays with the same endpoint. What's a ray, you say? Well, a ray is a series of points that start at one point and then go on forever in one direction. Okay? Rays ED and EF form the angle DEF. And when you're naming angles, you always have your vertex as the middle letter. This is also angle FED, but the E cannot be at the ends. Okay? To classify angles, acute angles are less than 90 degrees. Right angles are exactly 90 degrees. And obtuse are greater than 90, but also they're also less than 180. Okay? Wait, that's not right. Obtuse is greater than 90. Less than 180. Yeah, there you go. Less than 180. Okay? 180's got a special name, and then 180 to 360 have special names as well. Sorry. So confuzzling. I know. Deal with it. Deal with it. Deal with it. I know you missed me, though. Even though you guys, I think, have had Miss O'Keefe the last chapter, and she's pretty rad in case you didn't notice. All right. Moving on. Now, identifying perpendicular line segments. DE and FG intersect at right angles. DE is perpendicular to FG. Perpendicular means intersecting at a right angle or meeting at a 90-degree angle. That's it. Not going to spend a lot of time on it. There's really not anything else to say. So, hey, solve that. You're going to learn how to measure the shaded parts of the areas of the figures. Well, of course, you can't do those three because there are absolutely no measurements for us, so whatevs. And then finally, you're going to find area by counting square units. For example, this one has 15 square centimeters in it, so the area of the rectangle is 15 centimeters squared, or 15 square centimeters. You can use formulas. I don't like this one. Side by side. The area of a rectangle is found by doing its length times its width. Okay, in that case, 6 times 3 is 18 inches squared, because you're also doing 6 inches times 3 inches. If you remember algebra, almost look at this like our variable. 6 times 3 is 18. Inches times inches. Inches times inches equals inches squared. Oh, Mr. McCarthy, getting freaky deaky with the exponents. Oh, today's assignment. Look at that. We're already done. You're going to work on doing the chapter review. Those are slides, I believe, 11 and 12. They're in your hardcover workbook pages. No, not workbook pages. Come on, man. I'm going to go. Quick chapter 6 check. It's like almost like a pretest, if you will, to see what you know, to see what you remember. And then when you're done with that, IXL, you can multiply fractions to find area. I'm sure in your slides, this is a link. As always, go to IXL, click on learning, go to skill plans, go to 5th grade math and focus, go to chapter 6, go to the chapter 6 opener, and there you go. You should have already done this one. Oh no, we've done multiplying fractions, but we haven't done multiplying fractions to find area. Blah, 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 blah. Your individual teacher will tell you how to turn in the homework, which is completing these last 2 slides. Well, no, you should be doing all of those slides. Slides 11 and 12. Slide 10, slide 11, slide 12, slide 13 as well. Seriously. 11, 12, and 13. Then submit your work however your teacher asks you to. Maybe it's by saying, hey, I did it. Maybe it's taking a screenshot. Maybe it's performing a dance that demonstrates your mathematical knowledge. Whatever they ask for, do it. That's that. That's all I got. This is supposed to be review today. I'll be coming back at you tomorrow. We're in the same clothes because I'm just disgusting and I never change, and I just record my videos in bunches. So I'm saying bye for now. I'm saying see you tomorrow. But really, it'll be like 5 minutes in real time because I'm going to record the next one now. Au revoir.